Let's see what the $1.50 screwdriver set looks like. I just ordered it, special price, very cheap, very cheap, 20% off, and should have 20 bits or something. Let's see. Oh boy, it's deep inside the package. Very well packaged, because you don't want to hurt metal inside the big cardboard mess. You just cut away this shit, and hopefully I can pull it out the other way. Oh boy, they went crazy with duct tape here. Come on, why did you do this? I mean scotch tape, not duct tape. Come on. Yeah, we'll get it off later. Come on out. So here it is. Wow, this is kind of nice. At least it looks nice. What I'm curious about is the hardness of the bits. Because sometimes you buy one of these things and it's not even steel, it's just iron. What else do you call it? It rusts and it barely manages to take out one screw, and then it deforms, and yeah. So let's just open it. Oh, it opens like this. And yeah, maybe they are okay. That doesn't sound very promising. Good bits sound more solid. Oh, and the magnet is crap. I'll have to put in a new magnet. This is really crap. I don't know what they did here. The magnet is not holding it. I mean, barely holding it. And in a screw. This is not good for it. And there's not a... So that is missing a small bit for this. These smaller screws. Oh well. Let's just try this, the adapter. For the... Oh, this is not the one. This one. Yeah. You put it in here. You put it in here. And it falls out. Yeah. But at least they fit. And then you do whatever with this. Yeah. Really disappointing. I'll have to buy some more bits for this. This will be a present, I think. But yeah, it doesn't come with the necessary bits. This is just a really shitty... I don't know how they made this, but this is really shitty. The end is like a big circle. It shouldn't be like this. It should be a cross. Look, it's like they just took off the end and let it deform. Kind of sad. I need some better bits for this. But the other ones seem fine. Like the flatheads, mostly fine. And the others, yeah. Yeah, $1.50.